Alright, door lock actuator, 2005 Mercury Sable. This is sort of leaving a lot of things out, but I got the door panel off. I just set it right there for now. And just some screws and prying it off. Very typical of door panels. But here is the actuator mechanism. And it was kind of a bear getting it out, but now that I know how to do it, it may not be too bad next time. Okay, this is the old actuator, and as you can see right here, it just slides in and out. This is the new one in place. There's the old one. The new one is in place. I just thought I'd film it. I can't slide it in and out while I'm filming, but you get the idea. And I had to remove some brackets just to get some clearance. I had to remove the door handle actuator. Okay, this is the door handle actuator. I'm having trouble getting an angle on it, getting the right light on it. That goes up to the doorknob, the outside door handle. That has to be disconnected from this mechanism. So you can get all that to come loose. Sorry for all the shaky, but this is hard to film and get light on and all that kind of good stuff. Anyway, right up in there is where the door handle connects. And that lever has to disconnect to get all this monkey motion out of here. Okay, and obviously this is the door latch mechanism itself. It has to come out of the door. It's sat right there. And I should mention you got a few connectors here that have to come off. Very simple. There it goes there. That one goes there. And that's how they look. That's how they look when they're back on.